This video is about the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer, and it is absolutely worth considering. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below. The MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is built for creators and small businesses that want professional DTF results without constant maintenance stress. It uses an industrial-grade XP600 printhead, delivering sharp prints up to 2880 by 1440 dpi, which means clean edges, vibrant colors, and excellent detail on every transfer. One of its biggest strengths is speed, printing an A3 sheet in about 3 minutes, making it far more efficient than older L1800-based machines. For anyone running daily orders, this time-saving adds up fast. What really sets this printer apart is its intelligent maintenance system. Automatic timed cleaning, ink circulation, and a built-in particle filter work together to reduce clogging, which is one of the most common and costly DTF problems. The dual ink level alerts and one-touch ink filling make daily operation easier and cleaner, even for beginners. The 5-inch rotatable touchscreen lets you manage cleaning, nozzle checks, and layouts directly from the printer, so you don't need to rely on software for every small task. There are a few things to keep in mind. This printer is heavy, so it needs a dedicated workspace, and the software supports Windows only, not macOS. It is also an investment-level machine, not a casual hobby printer. However, the included film, inks, powder, and the 2-year free ink supply offer serious long-term value. For t-shirt businesses, side hustlers, or DTF studios that want reliability, speed, and strong support, this printer makes a lot of sense. Check the link in the description below to see the current price and decide if the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer fits your production goals.